Okay, so first I'm going to start with this one. This one's a little bit more detailed. Why don't I place it on just so when I pop it in the refrigerator or the freezer, I might do it in the freezer just so it firms up quicker. See, that's just going to be easier for me to pick it up. Okay, then what I'll do is ice it. Should move all these tools out of the way. Done with that. And grab my buttercream. Just regular old buttercream icing. Always make sure you stir it up first. And then just slap it on there. All right, start from the top and work your way down. This will end up being covered with fondant. And I'm not putting any skewers or anything down it because that sprinkler part will be down there. So that's what's going to hold it on and together and all that good stuff. And there we go. Now we can go ahead and smooth it. Got my icing blade here. I'm going to move that up and come across this way. Come around the side. Get to about that stage, I'll use a piece of acetate, which is just a plastic piece of paper that you can get through Copy Cake. Actually, they have it in a band. Okay, so that's going to go into the freezer and then we'll ice that one. Okay, so while those two cakes are chilling, we're going to go ahead and cover the board. I've got just some pastel yellow fondant because I just had that left over. You just need a light colored fondant, so if you want to get rid of something, you can use one, a different color. If you don't, then you can just use white. Okay, like I said, I have this pastel yellow, so I thought I may as well use it. And I'm just going to roll it out, cornstarch underneath. And you can do this in a couple pieces or do it all in one. Okay, turn it a bit. Okay, so we're pretty close here. There's a couple air pockets, but I'm not going to worry about it because I know what I'm doing to the cake. We're going to texture it, so it's not going to matter. I will bring the board over here. Take some regular old shortening and grease it on up. Okay, and then I'll just lift it up like this, bring it over, and I might need to stretch it a little. Now I know that I'm not worried about this part in here not having enough, so I can actually stretch it out like that. And same over here, just kind of pull it from here because I know that you don't have to have this whole entire part here covered. Now all this that's touched the board, I'm not going to want to use this on a cake, this leftover part because, the wood's kind of dirty and you can use it for boards again, but not to put on a cake. Okay, so we will take a palette knife and just cut around here. Move that. I can get rid of some of this, but I don't need to really get rid of all of it yet.